Good morning. Welcome to the start of a new vlog. I'm currently on a 3-day break. So I took a break off Instagram. I needed it. I was beginning to feel really overwhelmed, and I get on Instagram and the DMs and all. I was literally worn out. I would say that. So I knew I needed to take a break from social media. So I've been off social media and even WhatsApp. So the only thing I attend to on WhatsApp is urgent work and personal messages, family, 3-day break that's supposed to end today, but I'm going to be extending it till tomorrow. And it's been awesome. Maybe I'll come back to share what it was like, but then I'm excited that I've not had to go on Instagram for 2 days now. It's exciting. But apart from that, I've been very well. I woke up early this morning because I wanted to pick beans and make beans and pap, beans and ogi for my family. That's what they want to have for breakfast. And I'm in the process of picking the beans. Yay! So I hope that I would remember to follow up to capture moments of my week. And the goal is to share a mini vlog of my week every week. I hope I'm able to follow up on that. But then I'll be sharing lessons that I'm learning on the way, things that I'm loving, and just a video clip. My baby had a wash day this morning and we're not done, so I'm about to use the leave-in conditioner on her hair. But then I love this product. The smell of the shampoo is incredible. I love the products. Well done, Mara Cruz. I'm definitely coming back. Happy Sunday. So it's Sunday, and first of all, look at this gele. I actually tied it myself. So the thing is that I love tying gele whenever I wear my lace, but trust me, if you tell me to tie this style again, I cannot. So what happens is that I do this try and error method of tying gele. So I just put my hands on my head and try to make something out of it, and it turns out good. So if you like my gele, tell me in the comment section. Okay, happy Sunday. So I'm well rested for my social media break. Thursday, Friday, Saturday, 3 days. And I love the way I'm feeling. I love the fact that I feel less overwhelmed. And I would say that I am ready for all the juices that come. And most importantly, I am very conscious of the fact that I have a life outside of social media. If Instagram shuts down today, I won't be shaking. I took that break to re-strategize on how to ensure that my brand is not totally dependent on Instagram. And I am excited for all that is coming when it comes to your teacher body or your teacher body brand. Cheers. bad. The gen is not on yet, but then it's been a great weekend. Work begins tomorrow, and the realities of life the realities of life will set in. Anyway, so the packages from yesterday, where do I start from? Let's start with this. Okay, so I got, oh, here comes the gift. This will help me dish out my amala, semo, eba. So I got two, what's this called now? Like tights, yes. So I like to wear tights under my gown and my skirt, just because when my laps rub together, I react some sort of an allergy. So I always like to wear these. They didn't have it in black. I tried to explore other colors. So I like this.